In front of me is HMD Barbie Phone, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening menu and going into settings. Now select connectivity, click on Bluetooth and activate it. Following that, you need to select devices found, click on add new device and click on the one you wish to connect to. Then select pair and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. Then choose OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!